don't have any eyebrows. So,
so I guess my wife said she doesn't have any eyebrows, so we're just gonna sit down here for now. After 2 days, you know, we're here in California. I just want to share what we have, what's going on, and yeah, see where we go next. East Side. So we just got here, the Phil's Fish Market, and yeah, we're about to eat. So you can look at this. Yeah, this is Phil's. Yeah, everybody.
I'm trying to find where should I put my
wife's gonna put her pin, I guess.
Austin thing.
I was trying to look for Austin. Can't find Austin.
I think everyone went to.
Yeah, there you go.
Can you even see it? There's no Austin, or it's.
That's San Antonio. That's Austin right there.
Buried. It's buried right
it's buried
here.
right there. Right.
Somewhere, but I'm putting my black pin.
As you can see, California is like a mountain. And then Midwest, obviously, got stuff again. So here we are. We got our food. We got our Phil's Fish Market, and we got some chipino, some bread, and we outside by the beach too, as you can see. Yeah, we're just about to eat. So catch you guys later.
Right.
So we just finished eating. Now we're just chilling at the beach. Keep going straight.
Yep, and then turn right in Cannery Road.
Here?
Yep. Not this one.
Okay. What's up, folks? So we just finished going up, what was that there? Moss Landing. And now we're just eating here in Cannery Row. I will show you more once we get our drones up and once we're done eating. So me and Kathleen decided to stop by. We're just going to take some scenic footage for everybody, I guess. You know, but this is pretty much what we have here in California. Yeah, so But what?
Face the other way because it's free.
She said I should face the other way,
No, it should.
but
The camera should face the other way.
I don't know which way, but whatever.
You can have the camera facing that way because it's prettier.
She said it's prettier this way. I don't know, but
You don't have to be in the camera every single time, James.
anyway, it is what it is. So we'll show you what we have. Catch you in a bit. My. 3 days out of work, I feel like I'm already out of shape. But we're headed to Bixby, folks. There's a lot of people out here. But look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah. But yeah. So we out. We're about to head to our next stop. Yeah, it's chill, California, and it's been great. 4 more days and we'll enjoy it.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.